Hello beauty unicorns and welcome back to my channel and this tutorial using two palettes for one look. I am today using the two pony palettes. It is the Pure My Little Pony palette, which looks like this, together with, this is Struggle Buses in Town, together with the Colourpop My Little Pony palettes. So basically it's two kind of colorful palettes and I felt like I wanted to do a rainbow look. With these palettes I basically put all of the colorful colors on my eyes. I am extremely satisfied with this look. I think this could be one of the absolute most fun and most satisfying looks that I've done on my channel. I am extremely pleased with this look. I am out and about and I am so happy to be wearing this. I am trying to do more of the videos that I promised that I was gonna do, but times has been super hectic and stressful for me, and there's a lot of videos that people are asking for, so I decided that today I'm gonna do a video that I feel like doing, and I just wanted to sit down and play with colors, so I thought that this video would be perfect. I am gonna try and not let the stress of what people want me to do get to me. So if you want to see an idea and I just don't feel like that's the right thing for me, I hope you're not sorry or sad that I might not be doing all of the ideas that people want to hear. It's hard for me to explain this. The pressure of people can be really tough sometimes on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to be as true to myself as I can be and do the videos that I really want to film and show you the things that I really want to show you. And that's mainly why I never buy any things that, I never buy things that I don't want to own just to review it. I never do that, and this is the kind of look that I want to do. I'm looking in the viewfinder again because I'm so excited. It's looking so nice. I'm now gonna toot my own horn, but I'm really loving this look. And sorry if this was a bit rambly. I'll try to get into the tutorial now. I'm still gonna do a bunch of videos that I promised that I was gonna do, but just not gonna let the stress get to me because this isn't my job. I'm doing the best as I can. Try to be easy on me. Let's get into the look anyways with me doing this colorful thing right here. Sorry for the rambly part. Let's get on with the show. Okay, so I have the two palettes right here and I'm gonna start out with this one, which is the Pure one, and I am gonna, ooh, there's a mirror. And I'm gonna start out with the Kindness, and I want to use the Tempest Shadow as well. I'm gonna use those two in the outer corner together, maybe with the one from the My Little Pony, which is this darky plum one. So I'm gonna apply those three in my outer crease and outer corner. I will take it from there. So now I've gotten this far and I feel like I want to have now pink in the inner part of my crease. So I want to use this Pinkie Pie from the Pure palette, but I think I'm going to start out with this one, the the Pinky Matte in the My Little Pony palette. So I'm going to start out with this one and then go in with the bright pink in the inner part of my crease. I hope that's going to be good. I'm just gently blending them together, not too much because I don't want to muddy them up, but at the same time do not want a blank space in between them, so just gently. And now it's time for Pinkie Pie, the bright pink one. Calm your tits. One sec. And that's how it's looking when I got the colors on. Now I want to put some shimmers on the lid. So I think maybe this palette. Am I gonna go with this palette? I think I'm gonna put this one on the middle of my lid to match with the orangey thing. And maybe I'll use the pink one here, this one, and just use some Fix Plus with that one and put that in the inner part. And then just keep the black in the outer part. Yeah, so it's gonna be the plummy This is so hard. The plummy one in the outer part, the yellowy one on the middle, and then the pinky shimmer in the inner part. We're doing that, and I'm grabbing some fixing spray. So that is the upper part of my eyes, and now I want to go to the lower part, and I think I want to go purple, blue, green. Why did I say in that order? Oh yeah, because I want to have this green one in my inner corners. So inner corners, then this one, and in the outer corner this purple together with this purple. Yeah, so I'm starting out with the dark purple in the outer corner, and then I'm gonna take the shimmery purple on top of that one. That is the plan. I think I'm switching to a pencil brush actually, because I want to have this covering a bigger area. Can't speak. Like that. Now I'm taking that blue shimmery color from the Pure palette. I'm just spraying it a bit, and I'm gonna put this in the middle. So just a bit over the purple, and then I'm gonna have green as well. Ooh, hello. Okay, we're down to the very last. I'm gonna use this Loyalty at the part that's left, and then Princess Sky Star in the inner corners. And that's gonna be the end of the eyeshadow look, because goddamn, I put a lot of eyeshadow on my eyes today. Okay, I am very pleased with this. I'm so happy I just decided to sit down and just play, because I needed to get my creativity back. And I'm gonna put on some liner and some lashes. I don't even know what yet. And then I'm gonna see if I can find some lipstick I want to wear with this, and I'll be right back. You know what, I'm so happy with this look, and since I am so happy with this look, I had to use my favorite lashes, which is the House of Lashes iconic Lights. So I put those on, and I also wanted to use some of my favorite pens. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL, and this one is in the sexy name M30. I don't get that. And it is just a pale mint, and I thought that that could be nice in the waterline to tie back to the inner corner highlight, so we're doing that. Yeah, I do like how that looks together with this look. It's really nice. I'm gonna use this Ultra Satin Lip from Colourpop. It is the Karuchi X Colourpop. It is the #2 collection, so this is called Mrs. It's from the pink collection, the She palette. This one came out, and it's just a warm salmony pink, and it's like a neutral pink, and I always wear like peachy nude, so I thought today I'll wear something more pink, but it needs to be then a neutral pink, or more like this, a rosy pink, for it to not be too weird with this look. So we're doing this. Oh, it's almost like a terracotta pink. It's very pretty. So that is the finished look with the lip on. I am very happy with this look. The viewfinder makes it look very pretty as well. I hope you're excited as well to see a look with these two palettes. I know that this is maybe more colorful than you had in mind, but this is the kind of makeup that I love. And this is Saturday morning today. I'm gonna film one more video, and then we're meeting up with friends. We're going to the movies, we're going out to dinner, and I am gonna wear this. This is the kind of looks that I go out in. I don't do my makeup to just film and then take it off and put on just something neutral. I wear this. That is why I do these kinds of looks, because this is the kind of looks that I love to wear. So I'm gonna wear this all day. Very excited. Very excited. I really like this look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. The button is down below right here. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!